Hi guys, this is Ryan Blair from Halo Inc. and today we're going to be talking about the small format paper racks. So you'll notice currently we have two racks. We've got one that's marked for cover stocks and one that's marked for text weights. And now the way that I like to think about this is think about a book. Most books, the cover is going to be a heavier stock and the inside pages which contain the text is going to be a lighter weight stock. So when you're talking about cover weights, those are kind of more of a card stock. And then the text weights, that's going to be more lightweight paper that's typically found on copiers or the inside of a book. So the way that we have our racks laid out is the top shelf is going to be 100 pound, which is going to be on the heavier side. As the numbers descend in the pound weight, the paper gets lighter. So we've got 100 pound cover, 80 pound cover. Now if we come over to the text, on the top we've got 100 pound text, 80 pound text, and 70 pound text, which is the lightest of the text weights that we keep on hand. So what you're going to notice next is that all the shelves are set up the same. So we've got 13 by 19 in this slot, 18 by 12 in this slot, and 17 by 11 in this slot. And what this allows you to do is you don't have to be near the paper rack if you understand how the paper rack works. So you could see if we have a box of paper in stock that you're looking for from across the room. Something that I would like to see improved is where we put our just in or on deck paper. This would be if you have a job running and you just got a new box of paper and it's the next on deck. That way it's kind of out of the way, but I'd like to find an improvement for that. Down on the bottom, we've got NCRs, which is just in time, so we don't necessarily have some. This is just for alignment and test purposes. It's open pack. And then we have slip sheets. Slip sheets are when you're separating a job that's running. So it's basically just a blue piece of paper that's a flag for you to go in and understand that this is where the job separates. And that's where something like a chipboard backer would be inserted as it goes into finishing. And on this rack here, we have all of our supplies, and everything is neatly organized. So we got drums, we got the waste toners, waste containers, and then we have all of our toners in order that they go into the machine. And also, you'll see that all of our Kanban paddles are on Velcro, so it makes it really easy to take them off, put them back on, order your supplies when you need. And yeah, that's basically the gist of it. We've got a knife right here, that way it's easy to go in and open up boxes. And then the last thing on the rack that I'm going to talk about are these colored tags. Now what these colored tags are for is for when you load paper into the tray. You're going to notice that we've got a red tag on drawer 6, we've got yellow, blue, and green. So as you're loading paper into the printer, you're going to go ahead and just take this tag and put it on whatever box the paper comes from. That way, whoever comes next to take the paper out of the printer to load up the next job, they know where it goes. Thanks for watching.